Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video of how to use the Desmos graphing calculators and the Desmos scientific calculator. Um, you can, search for it in Google, Desmos scientific calculator. It's desmos.com/scientific. The graphing one's desmos.com/calculator, or it's two different apps in the App Store. Just search for Desmos and you'll see both of them. But people generally have problems when they're typing in something like this, where it's like a cube root or fourth root, fifth root, something like that, or they have an exponent that looks different than just like power of 2 or 3. So that's what I wanted to go over. So let's try graphing number 3. You never have to worry about the g of x, f of x stuff. I'll just graph that 1/5 cube root of x minus 3. So here I am in the graphing calculator. I need to pull up the keyboard here. And so if you want 1/5, just type in 1 divided by 5. It already turns it into a fraction. And then I want to do cube root. You see this button right here is square root. So if you hit the functions and you go to the miscellaneous tab, you see this, the little n. Here I can put in the little 3, and then I can type in x minus 3. And so here I have a graph of this function. And if you wanted to calculate a value, you hit this the little settings gear, and you hit this table, and it'll pull up table values for anything. So these are just the default ones. But if I want to know what it is when it's x is 99, I just type it in. What if I want to know when it's negative 128.2? So it can do calculations like that, or you can go over here and you can type in um, the function as we had it. And so instead of using x, let's say I'm plugging in, what did I just use? 128.2. So make this say cube root 128.2 minus 3. Negative 128. So here, I can highlight this, paste it, change it to negative 128. So that's pretty much how it goes. Um, if you wanted to do it with a power, like a fraction power, so 6x, so I have 6, and then we got to plug in something for x because I'm on the scientific calculator. So let's just plug in the number 2. So I have 6 times 2. You got to hit times because 6x is 6 times 2. And then it's raised to the 1/2 power, right? So I'm going to hit this button, the A to the B. And then I just type in 1 divided by 2. And as long as it looks like it's in the exponent still, you typed it in right. And then I'll type in plus 3. Plus 3. So I get 6.46. If I want to look at that in the graphing calculator, let me just X this out. So we had in parentheses 6x times to the power of 1 over 2. And then I had plus 3, right? And so I typed in the value of 2, right? So I'll hit this gear button and then 2, 6.46. There it is. So it's kind of neat to have this. You can always zoom in and out on the graphing calculator. But yeah, I think that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and maybe I'll make a second video. All right, bye.